Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I have recently started a Sadaqah Jariyah project for planting trees for people. If you would like a tree planted for yourself or your loved one, we can sort this out for you, inshallah. We are planting trees in Zimbabwe, around Zimbabwe, different areas, and we've had locations in mosque grounds, in orphanages, and many other areas. Right now, we have an order for trees, about 200 and more, for a graveyard. And there's great benefit in Sadaqah Jariyah. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Messenger of Allah عليه وسلم said, when a man dies, his deeds come to an end except for three things: Sadaqah Jariyah, a knowledge which is beneficial, or a virtuous descendant who prays for him. Reported by Muslim, Riyadu Salihin 1383. Recently, I had a sister who contacted me who wanted a tree planted for her father who passed away 30 years ago. And also, a sister contacted me to plant a tree for her grandparents who passed away in the 1950s and 60s. So head over to my channel and have a look at what we are doing. And if you would like a tree planted on behalf of your loved one or yourself, just contact us using the contact information on the YouTube channel as well as on the website.